Andrew from Sleep Right Australia here, and in this video we're going to talk about battery and converter options to power your CPAP device. To power your ResMed AirSense 10 device, we have the ResMed Power Station II lithium-ion battery. When the humidification features are turned off on the AirSense 10 device, the ResMed Power Station II will power your machine for up to 2 nights. If you wish to power your CPAP machine using 12 volts, the converter from ResMed is your option. To recharge a battery, you've got 2 options with this. There is a connector available for you to charge your battery using the 12 volt power from your car or truck, or you can simply get home once you get access to a power point and charge it up using that. The simplest way to reduce power usage on your CPAP device is to turn the humidifier off and to turn the heated tube off. To do this, simply click on My Options, scroll down to Climate Control, change that to Manual. Then go down to your tube temperature, wind this back to off, then wind the humidity level back down to off as well. By turning off the humidification features, we are using up to 80% less power. To turn your humidification back on, simply do the reverse process. Switch the climate control from manual to auto. Then adjust your tube temperature accordingly. 27 is a nice default setting here, but we also like the auto feature of this. There is a converter available for the ResMed Air Mini. The battery power for the ResMed Air Mini is coming soon. For further information about power consumption from your CPAP devices, simply go to the CPAP machine pages and also the battery pages on the website.